guys, we made it to Tokyo finally, and we're here at our hotel. We're going to show you a little bit how the hotel looks like on the video here. But anyways, we are here. We're in Tokyo, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, be sure that you smack that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing and make sure that you actually turn on the notification bell so that way you don't miss out when we drop a new video. Oh, hi. This is the Marriott Tokyo Hotel, and we want to show it to you. So come along to explore it with us. We stayed here for just one day, so we didn't get a chance to see all. But let's explore it anyways. We will do a room tour, breakfast tour, lounge, and at the end, the kids' food from the convenience store. First thing is the room review. All right, this is just a room tour of our Marriott stay. As you can see, there's a space here for your luggage. Just to say, anyone wants to say hi. And then from here, you do have bathrobes over here, two of them. On this side here, you do have a TV area, the living room space over there. And this was an upgrade for us. Then you have a place for you to work here. And the room here is 2 beds. And then you do have a TV area here, another closet here. And of course, you walk into the bathroom, huge bathroom. There's a scale, there's everything else. You do have a nice mirror here. And then there you have towels, a bidet on that side. And here you do have a bathtub. And on this side, you do have a shower. So combination shower and a bathtub. Super nice. And the kids have, they give them stuff as well.
Like, we have this cool bag. Then we have a body sponge, a towel, and a toothbrush and
toothpaste. Look at that, just for the kids. And they got also flip-flops, slippers, and pajamas as well for them. Wow, this is so nice. All right, this is a tour of the morning, how a bed looks like. Don't pay mind to this. This is not the way it is. It's usually fixed up nicely. So, but anyways, no, it's okay, Abigail. But this is how our room looks like. Okay, and then over this side, you got the TV here, closet here again. You can see we have a table right there where I was working. And then we have beautiful views here, and then the views of the train on that side over here. And then on this side here, we do have the living room. And on this side here, we do have TV. And then down there, there's a mini fridge on the bottom there. The stuff are not included, so you have to pay for it. So be careful. And then on this side here, we didn't show you last night, but you do have a kettle, Bible, and then you have a wine, and then there was the price of all the stuff here for the mini bar. So if you use it, you gotta pay. All right, and then this side here, again, this is the long hallway. Then you have stuff here. This is where we store all of our stuff. Nice large mirror there, door here. And then on this side here, when you come here, you do have the bathroom. And it's a large bathroom. Yeah, it's messy right now. Again, we used it. The bidet toilet is over there. It has a shower again. Sorry, tub right here. And then a shower on this side here. So yeah, so this was an upgrade here, Marriott. So thank you, Marriott, for this nice upgrade. But we're not doing a hotel review at all for this one here, but we're just showing you guys what we have on this trip. So right now we're gonna go get breakfast. Next is the breakfast that is offered at the hotel. We got free breakfast because of our status with Marriott. One thing to keep in mind is that as a Marriott status member of Platinum or higher, you have access to the lounge and you can have breakfast there. But kids are not allowed there. This is why we're having breakfast down here. They had lots of options to choose from. Just look at the spread here. Anything you wanted, they had it. You know I'm going to get some Japanese curry, of course. When in Asia, you eat what they eat for breakfast. All right now we're having breakfast here at the hotel main restaurant in the lobby area. We do have access to have it either in the lounge or here, but the kids are not allowed in the lounge, so this is what we're having breakfast down here. So far so good. Breakfast is awesome. Really nice touch here. So starting up a day, right Miss Abigail? All right, what do you have, Abigail?
What I have for breakfast is
Beef stew?
soup, a mini hot donut, croissant, a baked potato, and a bacon.
Nice.
Shaped like a heart.
Shaped like a heart. Now for you, Mr. Samuel?
Well, I just got pho for now.
Just pho for now. Nice. And Daddy got this small stuff for now, and then we're gonna get some more stuff.
I'm definitely not good at this.
Now to check out quickly the lounge. We were able to see it in the morning with the kids and in the evening for hors d'oeuvre hours. Lots of options as well. You want to try that one? Are you gonna eat it? The kids want to check out the convenience store that is located at the hotel. And here's what they got and their first impression of their food. There's a lot more stuff over here. You gonna get that for dinner? Okay. So we just came from the mini mart. And this is the first day. The kids went to get some stuff from the convenience store, and this is what they picked. Abigail, what did you pick?
I got some fried chicken.
Is it teriyaki chicken, right?
Yeah, teriyaki chicken.
And then what else is there?
And I got some bread and a croissant. And I didn't get then that's Daddy's.
And what else did you get?
I got one of these triangle sushi balls and spicy fried chicken.
Okay.
It's hard to get.
Okay.
Pretty good.
It's good. What about you, Mr. Samuel? Is it really spicy?
I don't taste any spice. But I give it 9.5 out of 10. And
Okay.
I rate this just as fire. 10 out of 10. It's so good.
All right. And then you have of course, you got the grapes.
Good. You need some fruits. So, yeah, I got the grapes.
Are they fresh grapes? I see.
They are so fresh. They are so good.
And then Mr. Sam, you're gonna try yours thing?
Yep, this.
Okay.
Try
And
it.
eat it.
Just like seaweed, but it has a tiny bit of like rice sauce flavor.
Nice. And of course, Abigail just tries a big bite, huh? Is it good? All right, so you're gonna try that tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. Oh well, this is it. All right, that's it for us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. And make sure that you actually turn on the notification bell so that way you don't miss out when we drop a brand new video. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.